Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I wanna explain about top-down parser and bottom-up parser. So as if you see here there are the difference between top-down and bottom-up parser. So once let me explain it. So first it constructs a tree from root node to leaf node. So here in top-down parser, if you see whenever you are solving the problem, you will you will draw the parse tree from top to bottom. So that is the meaning of this. And in bottom up parser you will construct the parse tree from leaf node from the bottom to the root node. So and next top down parser constructs the leftmost derivation. Bottom up parser always constructs rightmost derivation. So in the parse tree in top down parser we'll consider from the leftmost, whereas here we'll consider from the rightmost, and rightmost derivation reverse order is bottom up parser. So it is categorized by recent parser and predictive parser. As if we have seen the previous video, you will get this. And it is categorized by operator precedence parser and shift reduce parser is bottom up parser. Like same in the previous video I have explained you about the further divided parts of this top down bottom up parser. So in top-down parser, it does not accept ambiguous grammar, whereas bottom-up parser accepts ambiguous grammar. So in the next video, I'll upload what is actually an ambiguous grammar. For now, I'll just explain you actually what is simply an ambiguous grammar. So ambiguous is nothing but which produces, like if you take a sentences that produce more than one parse tree. Like if you take a grammar if you know the derivation like leftmost and rightmost derivation, you will understand this easily. I will also explain those in my upcoming videos. So it's nothing but just if you take a grammar, if you produce a derivation like leftmost or rightmost, you will be getting more than one parse tree, then it means that there is an ambiguity in that parser. So in top down parser it doesn't accept this ambiguous grammar. It is simple to produce parser. In top-down parser, to produce a parser, it is simple because we'll just go with from up to bottom. Like whereas in bottom-up parser, it is difficult to produce a parser, as we need to go with rightmost derivation in reverse order. Also, when compared to this, it is difficult, but we can solve it in an easy way too. Now in top-down parser, it uses LL1 grammar to perform parsing. As I have told, LL1 parser and recent and predictive parser are equally same. And in bottom up parser it uses SLR, CLR and LALR grammar, which are of LR of 0, like LR of 0 on mat. It uses SLR, CLR, LALR grammar. So in top down parser error detection is weak, where here in error detection is strong. So in top down parser it starts with the starting symbol of the grammar. Yes, what I have told you before is the same thing. We'll start with the starting symbol, whereas it ends with the string symbol of the starting symbol of the grammar. Like we'll go with leaf to root. So here the starting symbol is the end in bottom up parser. So the traversal of parse tree is pre-order traversal. So whatever the way we are traversing the parser here, it is called pre-order, whereas this is the reversal of post-order traversal. Hope you know what is pre-order, post-order, and also we have in order in data structures. And this is less powerful than bottom-up parser. So bottom-up parser is more powerful than top-down parsing. So these are the 10 differences between top-down and bottom-up parser. Hope you got it. Thank you so much for watching the video.